Hill. He has helped me and my team grow our business 10x.
I took it over the summer and it was phenomenal. We learned the 5 stages of sales.
I took it last year and it has honestly helped my business so much. It doesn't matter if you are an experienced agent, a solo agent, someone new to the business, or if you're running a team.
I challenge you to tap into the Sales Execution Workshop, take a look, and tap into David Hill's products.
David Hill is awesome. His coaching is awesome. His path to mastery is awesome.
I think the main value are the fundamentals, having daily structure, scripts, etc. You can't go wrong by many of these things, and David is a wealth of knowledge. I think it is well worth your time to attend.
If you are hesitant about what your future is going to look like in sales, just check this out. You will not be disappointed.
Thank you, David. I loved the Sales Execution Workshop. I learned so many valuable skills, and I cannot say enough about it. If you are on the fence, go ahead and take this. It is worth its weight in gold, and literally the return on investment for me was 10 times what I paid.
My business trajectory has just been going up and up and up because I am learning. I am every day showing up, doing in the work, participating, and getting a whole lot of ideas, growth on how to expand and become a better salesperson, real estate agent, and better human being.
Everything that David does is awesome, so I strongly recommend any agent out there that are struggling, that you're a solo agent or a team that needs a new refresher, contact David Hill.
Thank you, David. I love the Sales Execution Workshop. And like I said, go ahead, invest in yourself, and just do it.